Yeah. So aminado, no? So pati sila Commissioner Christian
Si Christian
Monson,
Monson,
no?
yeah.
At saka si Adolf Ascuna, no? At sabi nila they were mistaken kasi nga post-EDSA malakas ang
The
euphoria,
euphoria
no?
was
After the
there.
people power and they had faith in the politicians, no, that they will follow the spirit of EDSA, no. Of course, yun nga they left it to Congress, no, kasi kung babalikan natin yan, even back then issue na yung political dynasty, yung political family, no. Among the first to really study it was a former military man who became a progressive, no, and later on an activist, no, si Dante Simbulan, no, at sinulat niya yung The Modern Principalia as his master's thesis, no, back then. So even back then pinag-aaralan na yung dynasty na yan, no. So nakita natin na namayagpag yung mga dynasties even nung yung mga pamilya na panahon pa ng colonial period, no, hanggang post-war, no, hanggang on the eve of martial law, at lalo na nung martial law, no. So nung post-EDSA, yung isa sa mga commissioners, si Jose Noliedos, inano niya yan, ni-raise niya yan, at nagdebate, kaso hindi nila ma-define yung political dynasty. So they left it to Congress, no. Henceforth, 39 years, no, hindi na-define yung dynasty, no. Yun ang problema, no. Maraming attempts, no. The last major attempt na kumontik na was nung panahon ni President Noynoy Aquino, no. Pero ngayon, we have, because of the confluence of events, no, ang sinasabi natin ngayon, dahil nga mahina ang dynasty, dahil yung dalawang malaking paksyon ng mga political families ay nagbabangayan and they're really, kumbaga, in an existential battle, no, kasi ubusan ng political lahi ito, no, sa kanila come 2028, no. So tapos ang administrasyon, because of the flood control scandal, needs to win some political points in order to regain the political narrative, no. So pinangako ng Pangulo, prioritize niya, inutusan niya yung mga kaalyado niya na i-prioritize ang anti-dynasty. So nakikita natin na for the first time, nakikinig ang mga legislators, lalo-lalo na sa lower house. Marami sa kanila ang nagpasa ng sarili nilang version ng bill. 29 as of last count ang bills na introduce on anti-political dynasty sa lower house, no, and 6 sa Senado. And I attended the first hearing sa House, and you can feel it in the air na parang something is different, no? Kasi full media coverage, hindi nang babara yung mga legislators, nakikinig sila, willing to listen, at pati speaker ay nag-introduce ng sarili nilang version, although very controversial at maraming loopholes, kasi kung yan ang ipapasa natin, kabaligtaran doon sa gusto nating iba ng political dynasty. But nonetheless, they are open to it. And even in the Senate, no, mas lalo na dahil ang bagong chair ng Senate Committee on Suffrage and People's Participation ay si Senator Risa Hontiveros. So talagang mukhang may tulak din ng Malacanang based sa mga nakausap ko. Nakausap ko rin si Speaker D, nakausap ko si Senator Gatchalian, si Senator Risa, at mukhang may tulak galing sa Malacanang. At hinahabol nila ito for the next State of the Nation address. Ngayon, aasa ba tayo sa kanila or baka paasa lang na naman to? Di ba yun ang tanong?
Saka iba usapan ko ano yung final form. It's the final form that will matter.
Form? Dahil masalimuot nga, no, based din sa mga interviews ko rin at sa mga aming information tour, no, maraming version, no? May maximum version na gusto ng civil society, na kung gusto natin ng serious na honest to goodness na anti-political dynasty, dapat hanggang 4th degree, dapat fat and thin dynasty, dapat pati party list kasama, at lalong tutukan yung cross jurisdiction or cross constituency. Kasi doon tayo nagkakatalo, no? Ngayon, kung i-water down nila, well, ang minimum na willing naman ang mga members ng political dynasty at may mga nakakausap din kami hanggang 2nd degree. At kung titignan natin lahat ng panukalang batas, ang minimum, no, ang magic number for most dynasty for a compromise is up to the 2nd degree. It's up to, kumbaga, yung negotiation, no? Pero ang kagandahan sana kung hanggang maximum na fourth degree na demand ng reform advocates at katulad nung binuo namin multisectoral group na binubuo ng mga academics, ng mga youth, professional, and students at members of political dynasty, yung anti-dynasty network na ang isa sa mga lead conveners namin ay si Pasig Mayor Vico Soto na isang miyembro din ng political dynasty.
Okay, so Professor July, this
Yes.
only means na kailangan gumawa ako ng separate episode na ang guest ko ay si Professor July tungkol lang sa dynasty. Kasi meron nga
Tungkol
pala
sa
mga
dynasty.
strides, kahit pa paano may strides
Yes.
naman pala. No? Hindi naman pala
Yes.
nasa kangkungan itong
Yeah.
discussion about it. Pero Professor
Hindi.
July,
Last na lang, no, Jovi. This is a critical period in which dahil nga bukas ang mga dynasty na ipasa ito finally, kailangan lang ng talagang tulak mula sa publiko. Yung suporta at pagmamasid at pagtutulak ng publiko ang susi para maipasa natin tong dynasty.